Hi kids! We are going to learn about animals today. Flamingo, tall, pink, and loves standing on one leg. Eagle, powerful and soaring high in the sky. Octopus, fascinating with 8 arms and underwater life. Frog, jumps and croaks near ponds. Polar bear, living in icy lands and loving the snow. Leopard, spotted and sneaky in the wild. Hyena, known for its laugh-like sounds.